What's up, everybody? Well, we're gonna do another unboxing video. I know it's a lot of unboxing videos here lately, but we've been getting a lot of stuff. So we bought us a new table saw, the Ryobi 10-inch with an expanding capacity table, because this is my old one. I've had this thing for, I don't know, I guess almost 20 years. And it came from my father-in-law, who had it for, I don't know how long before that. So it's seen it better days. It don't function so well anymore. But anyway, we bought us a new one, so we're gonna open her up and put her together. So let's see, let's get into this a little bit. Set that down right there. All right. It shouldn't be a whole lot to put together on it. Yeah. Well, we'll lay that down. Slide that out. There's the wheels for the stand. That's the table extension. Let's see. How does this go? Oh, this goes out. Oh, that's way bigger than that track I had on the other one. Let's see. This side over here got all the other goodies in it. I don't think I've ever had a table saw that had one of these on it, like, in all honesty. Some with push poles. Lift this box up and put all the trash in it. There's some screws and bolts and things. Paperwork. Let's see. I'm gonna say there should be some eggs in here somewhere. Nothing else hiding in that piece. So let's see here. That's how that piece comes out there. Nothing hiding in it. Well, how do you expect you to get that out? Looks like that went on before the... Oh, I guess that's kind of smart. All right. Let's see how this table goes together. I don't need that. Just need to see how to put it together. Alright. Okay. Hang on. We're gonna, oh, that was loud, I'm sorry. I'll be back with y'all in just a minute. Well, there she is in all her glory. I've never had a saw that had one of these on there. Like ever. So I'm gonna leave it on there and I'm gonna try it out. But anyway, it's got this nice, well, got this extension table on there like that. So like I'm getting ready to rip down some plywood here in a little bit. Right there. I gotta rip it down to 12 inches. Well, that is gonna make life so much easier to be able to set that on this table and rip it off there. So I'm pretty excited to try it out. So that's gonna do it for this one. Short, sweet, to the point. I'm not gonna cut any wood on it and put it on here. I'm gonna cut some wood and it'll be in a different video. But anyway, just want to show y'all a new toy that we got. We're gonna fire up here in a minute and try it out. We appreciate y'all for watching. We'll see y'all later.